Hi friends, today I'm showing you this EDUP 1200 MBT like Bluetooth 4.1 Wi-Fi adapter. This can be used as the dual 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz Bluetooth. It's a 4.1, so the Bluetooth connection is also good, and the receiver is a Wi-Fi dongle. This is a Wi-Fi network adapter for Windows 10, 8, 8.17, Mac or any in the device. So it comes with the driver CD and a Wi-Fi adapter, and you can see this driver CD you can use, but if you don't have the disk reader, then you can also download the driver from their website, and the website address is given in the manual. So this is a 1200 m dual band Bluetooth 4.1 adapter. So this is AC 1200 dual band with a 867 Mbps 5.8 GHz band and 300 Mbps 2.4 GHz band. So this is a 3.0 high-speed transmission, Wi-Fi operating system, and it works with all the Windows 8. So you have to put this antenna with the USB adapter by just rotating it and setting the angle you want, and then insert the adapter in your computer, install the driver from the included CD or download it from the website AC EDUP.com, and then scan for the available network and connect to finish the installation. So I'm just trying to do that on my laptop, and you can see that it start recognizing, but I have to download the driver and install this. So I'm using a DVD reader and then trying to install the software and the driver. Once installed, restart it, and when you put it back, the driver will be installed and it start working, recognizing it and working properly. So you have to go for the setup.